Welcome back to Thinker Zone. Today we are diving into a fascinating world that's all around us, often overlooked but absolutely essential. Insects, from their biology to their genetics and even their biochemistry. These tiny creatures hold secrets that shape our planet and our future. Now, let us have a brief introduction of the insects. Insects are the most diverse group of animals on earth. Imagine this, for every single human, there are about 200 million insects. They live in deserts, forests, water, and even inside our homes. But they are not just creepy crawlies, they are ecosystem superheroes. What are insects? So what exactly make an insect? An insect, they have got three body parts, which are head, thorax, abdomen, and six legs, compound eyes, and usually wings. Simple designs yet incredibly effective. That's why they have survived for 400 million years. Insects are very diverse. The diversity is mind blowing. From beetles to butterflies, bees to mosquitoes, over million species already discovered and million more waiting to be found. If life were a popularity contest, insects would win hand down. So, according to the diversity of insects, there are so many insects like beetles, butterflies, moths, bees, ants, wasps, flies, mosquitoes, grasshoppers, and crickets. I have also provided the scientific names of these insects in this video. So, what is the ecological importance of insects? Without insects, our ecosystem would collapse. They pollinate our crops, recycle nutrients, and keep pests in check. Birds, fish, and even humans rely on them. Yes, whether we like it or not. So, an interesting fact about the ecological importance of insects is that in pollination, insects basically play a role that their legs contain comb-like structures which act as a glue to catch pollens, and these pollens then are transferred to other flowers for the pollination purpose, and through this we get fruits and other gifts of the nature. What are the benefits of insects to humans? Beyond ecosystem, insects directly help humans, like bees makes pollination possible as I discussed before. Silkworm gives us silk, the pure silk that everyone craves to wear. In some cultures, insects are the protein-packed superfoods. And believe it or not, maggots are even used in medicines to clean wounds. So, as I am a biochemistry student, so I am also linking insects to biochemistry. Here's where it gets geeky and fascinating. Insects produce pheromones for communication, enzymes that break down stuff we can't digest, and venoms that scientists study for new medicines. Their biochemistry is like nature's hidden laboratory. So now let us discuss how insects act as enzymes. For example, enzyme like chitinases helps them shed their exoskeleton. Others digest keratin or plant fiber. And guess what? We borrow these enzymes in biotech, turning insect science into human innovation. So, how we can link insects and genetics? Now, let's zoom into genetics. The fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster is the rock star in biology labs. Why? Because its DNA helped us understand inheritance, mutation, and even human diseases. If the little fruit fly has shaped modern genetics. In the past, we used animals like mouse or other creatures for the research purposes, but now insects are used for this purpose as they have great reproductive rate. Because of their great reproductive rate, they are many in number and give better result as compared to those creatures. So, in comparison of having a greater reproductive rate, they are also easy to handle as compared to other animals like mice. So, what are the applications in the research or genetic research? To Today, insect genetics is at the cutting edge of science. CRISPR is being used to study insect DNA. Scientists modify mosquitoes to fight malaria, and by studying insect evolution, we learn how life adapts and survives. So, what are the challenges and risks? But it's not all good news. Some insects destroy crops, others spread deadly diseases like malaria and dengue. Plus, pollinators like bees are in danger due to pesticides. And while genetic modifications sound promising, they also raise ethical questions. So, let's sum up. Insects aren't just background creatures in nature, they are main players. They feed us, clothe us, heal us, and teach us about life itself. Here at Thinker Zone, we believe that understanding insects isn't just science, it's a key to our future. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of insects, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Thinker Zone for the more mind expanding explorations. Drop a comment which insect fascinates you the most. Let's keep the conversation buzzing.